there, and welcome to Unboxing Canada. Adil Awdah. A new day, a new product. So as you can see, this is an Amazon product. Okay, so let's open it together. We need something to open this with. There, the whole box. Yes, and $10. Peeling. Ooh, cool. Peeling video doorbell. Install weird or wire-free Blink video doorbell is designed for every home. To a better service, I can show you. It's another company, an Amazon company. So instead of getting someone to install it for you for a lot of dollars, just buy this and install it yourself. Steps and you do the bell by yourself. Keep it there. Inshallah, barakallah. So small, easy. And at the back, manual. One battery. How many batteries should be there? 2 batteries. I brought only 1 battery. Oh, let's see. Maybe another one's hiding here. Yes, this is one. So we just need to follow the steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3 to install it, and then we'll just connect it to the door, and that's it.